we'll guide you through how to sync files in Dropbox on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox application on your Mac. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the Dropbox icon in your menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on it to open the Dropbox menu. Here, you should see an option for Preferences. Click on Preferences to open a new window. In this Preferences window, go to the Sync tab. This tab is where you manage your syncing settings. You'll see an option for Selective Sync, which lets you choose which folders you want to sync to your Mac. Click on Selective Sync to open the list of your Dropbox folders. Check or uncheck the folders you want to sync or unsync. This is especially useful if you're running low on storage space on your Mac, because it allows you to keep only the essential files on your device, while still having access to everything else online. After selecting the folders you want, click Update to apply the changes. Dropbox will begin syncing the chosen folders to your Mac. You'll see a status indicator next to the Dropbox icon in your menu bar showing the sync progress. Once the syncing is complete, you'll have access to those files directly in your Mac's Finder under the Dropbox folder. This process ensures your files are always up to date and accessible both online and offline. Remember, you can always change these settings by returning to the Sync tab in Preferences if your needs change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.